I'm Shay Russell from mining.com.au, and joining me today is the Managing Director for Burrendong Minerals, Mart Rampe. Mart, how are you? It's great to speak with you.
Thank you, Shay. I look forward to having our discussion.
I am thrilled to have you on because it's not often I get to speak to a soon-to-debut company. Now, you are operating in one of my favorite areas, and I'm going to get to that in just a moment. But first of all, let's talk about some of these exciting projects that you're trying to bring to the ASX.
Okay. Well, in essence, we have amongst our portfolio three projects which have JORC 2012 compliant resources. One is found at the Commonwealth Mine. The next one is at Silica Hill, which is virtually next door. And just to the south is another one called Galwadgere. And these projects have been acquired by doing deals with Impact Minerals in the first instance and Sky Metals in the second instance. And we believe that these projects represent a fantastic start to a IPO, and we look forward to getting out there and increasing the size of those existing resources at the end of the day.
Now, these projects just happen to be located in the Lachlan Fold Belt, one of my favorite areas because I believe it's highly underexplored. Tell me, what do you plan to achieve with these projects out in this area?
Well, like you say, Lachlan Fold Belt is a fantastic area. It is one of the world's greatest mining regions. It's got world-class mines, virtually a stone's throw away from where we are. And at the end of the day, the information that we have and the technical data that we have indicates that there is a very strong potential for us increasing the size of those resources and bringing one of those places into production in due course. But as a starting point, we need to explore the resources that we have and expand on them as best as we can. And to that extent, part of the exercise is to raise these funds so that we can commence drilling soon as the IPO is done and dusted.
Now, I am all for the drill rig hitting the ground, but one thing I did not mention at the start of today's conversation is the metals that you are looking for. Tell me, what are you trying to expand on out here?
Okay, so the resources that we have are focused significantly on gold, silver, and base metals. Okay, now the Commonwealth Mine and the Silica Hill contain significant resources of gold and silver. And the Galwadgere contains a significant resource of copper. Now, if you put them all together, we've got almost 5 million tonnes of resources, and in that calculation, there is 3.3 million ounces of silver, almost 90,000 ounces of gold, and about 30,000 tonnes of copper. Now, when you think about the size of those resources and the price of those commodities as we speak, it's a significant value in the ground that we're looking at. Now, whilst we're not ready for a mining operation yet, we believe that this is a fantastic start to more resources and an eventual development on one of those sites.
Now, just to sort of emphasize what your big plans are, your company is currently in the process of capital raising, and I'm going to get you to direct everybody to how they can participate in just a moment. But I believe that your ASX ticker is BIG, big. Do you believe this is a good omen for you?
Absolutely. We believe that it was serendipitous that we were able to achieve that ASX designation. And we usually start our presentations with a very big announcement. And in this case, it is, yes, we are in the process of a capital raise. We commenced about a week or so ago, and we are now in the process of gearing up, and our lead manager broker, Novus Capital, is looking to facilitate that process, and we are confident that we will get there in the end.
So for all those investors or potential investors listening today, how can they participate in the capital raise?
Okay, it's simple. You just go to our website, www.burrendongminerals, all one word, .com.au. And you will see there a link to the prospectus and application forms.
Listen, Mart, thank you so much for being here today. I have no doubt that there are big things ahead for Burrendong Minerals.
I'm big, and that's the way we're going to go.